Hi, I'm Holly from Caterkwik, and we asked you on Facebook what's the best way to get rid of your leather stains on your whites. So we had a few comments from you with we had Vanish, bars of soap, fairy liquid, but what we're going to try is the power washer. There's a couple of you that said that you power wash them before you wash them in the washing machine. But first we're going to hoover the hair out of it, because although the washing machine can obviously get rid of the hairs and it'll catch it in the filter, you need to get rid of as much as you can so that it's obviously not going to block up during the wash. So I'll show you how you should do that. You obviously need a hoover. If you've not got a hoover, you can just use like a wire brush to brush it off, but just be careful you don't wreck your numnah. So once you've hoovered all your hair off, you can then power wash the outside. So we've obviously got no chemical in the power washer, it's just water. Wow, it's working. Right, so once you've power washed it, it's got most of the stains off, as you can see. We're going to put it through the washing machine and then see what it comes out like later. So we're just going to put it in the washing machine now. Like before, we've got most of the stains off with the power washer. We are just going to wash it with our rug wash detergent, which is CK7007, and it's really good at getting rid of like grease and stains and things. So we're just going to wash it in that. And I'll show you now what's the best cycle to put the wash on. So that obviously just goes in there, and you have a liquid detergent insert that needs to be in if you're using liquid. But we don't need too much of it, because obviously we're washing just one single numnah. You don't need to put loads in. So when you're loading the machine, make sure you get the whole thing in and you don't have anything trapped between the doors or it'll rip. And also make sure you've always got the Velcro fastened, or otherwise if it comes off then it could stick to it and tear it. So just make sure that's fastened properly. And it's right in the back of the washing machine. So because we're just washing one numnah, I'm going to put it on a heavy, bulky sheets wash. And like I said, because it's just one numnah, I can even put the time saver button on so it doesn't have to wash for as long, because it's just one item. So you can just press speed wash and it's just 56 minutes. It's preset to wash on a high spin speed, a medium soil level, and the temperature is set to cold. So I'm just going to press the temperature and make it warm, and then I'm going to press start. So it's going to take an hour to do that one. Obviously if you're washing, you can wash more at a time if you want, and if you're doing your rugs and things, then just one at a time. But we'll come back to that later and see how it gets on. So that's the washing machine all finished. Let's have a look at the results. So after pressure washing and a bulky sheets wash, it's got rid of most of the stain on the saddle pad. I mean, it can't work miracles because this was already stained before we washed it. So it looks a lot better than it was. And thank you Kaylee and Kim for the tip, and I'll use that in the future. Hope it helps everyone else. Thanks for watching.